Isn't it magical? You send a message from such a device and a split second later someone at the other side of the globe can see its content. But what actually happens in this split second? That's pretty mysterious, no? It's invisible from the naked eye, but a lot of things are happening. And in this video I got something really cool for you. Welcome to another episode of Show Don't Tell, the series where we not only talk about technology, but show you how things actually work. My name is Lawrence, and today I'm going to talk about the journey of the data packet. So the data packet goes on quite an interesting journey. The device sends a radio signal using electromagnetic waves. And a local cell tower from an operator like Vodafone or AT&T picks up this radio signal, can forward the signal to the operator where the SIM is connected to, and that operator runs the so-called core network. And then the core network forwards the data to the right endpoint, the server. Usually this process is hidden from sight, but we got a really cool feature at the Monogoto hub where you can exactly see what's going on. And this is called NetFlow. NetFlow gives you insight into the IP traffic of your devices. So you can see every packet, where it's coming from, where it's going to, and what type of data is being sent. Let me show you. First, let's open up the Monogoto hub and select a device that's currently sending data. In my case, that's the NRF 9151 development kit that I configured. So we scroll down and we open up the NetFlow tab. And here we click Activate. We wait a second and we directly see traffic being displayed. And this is really exciting. So you see the protocol, the source IP, the destination IP, and the number of bytes that the device is using. So the source IP of the device, that's this one. And this is the destination IP. So you see that traffic is going bidirectionally from the device to the server and from the server back to the device. And you can find exactly how frequent the data traffic is happening and the amount of bytes that are being sent. How cool is this? Things get really interesting once you look into the NetFlow dashboard, because this shows you the whole overview containing data from all your devices. Gives you an overview of the full data transfer, but also data to top destination and how much data is consumed within a certain time frame. Also, it shows you the top things by upload or download. So if something is off and there's a device that uploads or downloads a lot of data, then that's probably a trigger for you to look into that device. Same thing if there's a destination that you're not aware of where a lot of data is sent to, then it's also a trigger for you to look into. So this provides you with a very handy overview. And if you'd like to learn more, then head over to our Monogoto docs. And here everything is explained about the NetFlow feature. So go to the hub, dashboard, NetFlow, and there all the information is provided about this feature. NetFlow is a great feature to visualize the mysterious world of IP traffic. And it's not only useful when things are working fine, but mostly when things are not working fine. Because it gives you a great tool to quickly see what's happening. Is my device sending data, yes or no? Is data being sent back to the device? Is my endpoint correct? But also, is data sent to IP address that I'm not familiar with? So it provides you with a great skill to see things that previously were invisible. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Lawrence, and this was another episode of Show Don't Tell. I hope to see you here again.